How do you light long driveways or private roads? Question is, I got emailed this the other day from a client, one of our existing clients. She had moved into a new property and it's a wooded piece. She's used to living in a small, tight neighborhood and all on the road. Now she's living on a piece of property that's a little bit back off the road. So her question was, Bob, how do you light long driveways or private roads? Can you help us with that? My answer is absolutely. Okay. Long driveways are common in suburban and rural areas around Maryland and D.C. Lighting these areas restraint, not brightness. Spacing matters more than intensity. Low-level fixtures guide vehicles and pedestrians safely without creating glare. Good driveway lighting improves safety and arrival experience while still making you feel the property and yourself feel elegant and intentional. Think about that. Good driveway lighting improves safety and arrival experience. Okay? Think about that if it's done properly. The goal is visibility, not runway lighting. You ever go into a neighborhood and it looks like you go into BWI or Dulles Airport and there's 15 fixtures up and down the driveway? Improper design. That's a DIYer. We see it all the time. So I say again, the goal is visibility, not runway lighting. Okay? That's a common mistake. I get it. People don't do it for a living. But when I'm in a neighborhood at night, seeing a client, and I drive down the street and I see this, obviously I know right off it's a DIYer. And they're doing the best they can. I get it. But remember, the goal is visibility, not runway lighting. Okay? All right, we'll talk at you.